Today, I'm going to show you how to open the hood of a car. Now, when I say open the hood of a car, I also mean you can also open the hood of your pickup truck, the hood of your minivan, van, or what else is there? Pickup truck. Well, you get the idea. Of your vehicle. I'm going to show you how to open the hood of your vehicle. Now, every hood is different depending on the model, so there's specific instructions for your particular vehicle, but this is just a general guide that can guide you on your way. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, my vehicle's off right now, and what I'll do is generally, in most vehicles, what you do is you look down towards the foot of the car, left foot of the car, for when the steering wheel is on the left side, like this one. And so you see this, there is a lever down there. And what I'll have to do is open the hood using this lever right here. Now, most hoods have a lever that will open the hood, but then there's a safety latch. I'm going to go ahead and get down here so you can see this. Now, newer vehicles, they have a safety latch built in with this lever. However, for a lot of cars, the safety latch is directly under the hood, which I'll show you how to open the safety latch, okay? So with this, I'm just going to go ahead and pull that, and did you hear that pop? Okay, so some newer vehicles, actually, you pull it twice, it goes pop, and then you pull it again to release the safety latch. However, this vehicle does not have that safety latch. So I'll have to go out in front and release the safety latch. So I'm going to get out of the vehicle, and I'm going to walk around to the front of the vehicle. And as you can see, I cannot pull open the hood. And the reason why I can't do that is because there's a safety latch. Now, in order to get the safety latch, release the safety latch, sometimes the safety latch is at the top to where you have to pull it that way and release the safety latch, or maybe a different direction. So what I'm going to do is, for this particular vehicle, the safety latch is at the bottom. And when I open up the hood, I'm going to show you the safety latch in detail. So the safety latch on this vehicle is at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fingers, slide it inside, go like this, and then shift it that way. So watch this. Go inside, go down, shift it to the left. And then I'm able to open the hood. Now with this particular hood, there is a kickstand, or that thing right there, to prop open the hood. But newer vehicles can actually stay open by themselves, some of them. Now, with the hood open, what I'm going to do is, you made it, but the safety latch, I promised to go over this. So with the safety latch, I just shifted it that way, and it released the safety latch. Now, some safety latches, you have to pull up that way, or either go that way. And some of them are actually on the hood itself, so you have to actually go up, left or right. All right, and when you're done with the hood, go ahead and take kickstand out. Use one hand to open it up. Place that back into place, and you can see there's a place for it right there. And then slowly, and a lot of vehicles, the hood weighs so much, you can simply just bring it about this far apart and release it, and it will stay shut. But if you don't, you might have to use a little bit of pressure. So that's how you open a hood on a vehicle. It's important to read your owner's manual for your particular vehicle, because there are specific instructions for your own vehicle in order to open the hood safely, securely, and properly. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.